Good morning, everyone. It's 11 o'clock. It's Friday, and today I'm going to pull these potatoes up because I need the space now. I have to whisk because there's people about. Oh. So I've got one big one so far. That is pretty big as well, isn't it? There's a bit of wind today as well, so sorry. So the thing is, these were planted in like really hard ground, so I don't know if the potatoes are going to be underneath the hard ground. What do you think? I mean, I'm feeling, and I can't really. That one I've just pulled out, see, there should be potatoes on it. Mind you, I have been going around digging nearly every day for potatoes. So, oh, there's one. Quite a big one. I have been going around nearly every day picking potatoes out of here. So, but I don't know if they're going to be under the hard ground because the other potatoes, the seed potatoes, were just under. Some of them were on top. So, I don't know. I'm just going to dig and dig and dig. And here I'm going to put some swede, turnips and beetroot, I think 3 long rows of it. Right, I shall be back with you in a minute because I can't really dig with one hand. What a wonderful sight, just digging away, minding my own business. And look who I came across. Hello, Mr. Frog. He's a big one as well. He's quite big. Right next to my potatoes. I'll try not to disturb him, but I know I will. So I've got about half of it left to do. I know there's not going to be millions because I have been picking every day. So we'll see. It's a bit difficult really to know how to dig these because it's a big area and it's got the hay on top. So what I'm doing is moving the hay to there, yeah, and then moving the soil to there. So if I dig here, oh, so I'm digging here like this, looking for potatoes as I go. Oh, I keep moving you out of the way. So you can't see. What a numpty. Right, if I look through the camera, majority of the time, the thing is I'm not digging deep enough either. Because I think that some of them are going to be buried under. Oh, look, there's one there. Some of them are going to be dug, buried underneath. It's like a little love heart. Oh, how sweet. I'll give that to Boris. sorry, some of them are going to be under this good soil and right under the hard soil. For instance, that's hard soil there. This potato was underneath, so surely there should be some under there, shouldn't there? What do you think? But do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave them and they'll grow again next year. So I'm gonna plant in this for over winter. See, like, push that back. I'm gonna plant in here over winter, and then the potatoes should come back because I've left quite a lot of them in. But yeah, right, I've only got this bit left to do, so I'll get on with it and then show you what I've got at the end of it. I'm going to try and show you a bit more because that's better. Just trying to get it in focus, sorry. Because it's just interesting, isn't it? Watching somebody pull potatoes up. And these are bindweed. I've noticed it popping up everywhere, and because it's good soil in here, I'm being able, you know, it's fluffy soil, I'm being able to find it and just pull it out. So, oh, potatoes, potato. I'm not expecting, I did say before, to find a whole lot, because I have ransacked this already. I've been coming in here every day, sticking my hand in, seeing what I can find. But oh, look at that. These are free, remember. I've had quite a few that size. That's my biggest one yet. But these are all free. So we'll just see. That is heavy. We'll just see how many we get at the end of it. Right, I'll wait till I get over there and bring you back. I didn't really get anything out of there except for one big one, did I? Right, I'm going to try and show you me digging through this last corner. Because what I'm doing is I'm digging with my hands and down to where all the hard earth is. Watch this, I ain't going to find anything now, am I? I know I've dug this bit quite a lot to get potatoes out. Nice big one there. There's a little one. I can't see because the sun's shining. There was a little one there, but like I said, I'm going to leave them in. This is just like Christmas, isn't it? I hope you can see all right, because I can't. So I can't see if the camera's pointing in the right direction or not. So I'm like making a little trench like this. And I'm hoping I've got the majority of the big ones. I'll just move me, my cushion. Right. I'm just feeling underneath, and then they pop up. Like that. Another one. Sorry if I'm wobbling around a bit, but I can't do this any other way. I brought my dog down earlier. He loves it down here, but he's a bit poorly at the minute. Oh. He's a bit poorly at the minute, so I waited to do this. After I'd taken him home. She's not well at all. He's eating all right and drinking all right, so that's all that matters, isn't it? Wow. Oh, that one. Oh my word. This one. Don't want to come out. Look at that. It's got a bit of a split there. Oh. Oh. Come here, you lot, because I'm going to end up losing you. Oh, I've just thrown one and it didn't go in the bucket. Like I said, I'm not really expecting a lot from this bit here, because I've been digging potatoes out for a while. They're coming out nice and clean as well. I'm trying to dig some of the big lumps out as well and sort of crush them a bit to get this soil loosened up underneath. I've got I've got quite a few people lined up for these potatoes as well. Some of them are coming out whoppers. These are good for, to say that they're free. But yeah, I've seen a couple of people this morning when I took Boris out for a walk and said to them that I should be bringing some potatoes round shortly because I was going to dig them up today, and I really would like to get my other veggies in planted, and they're going to be planted seed up because I forgot to start them all, so I thought plant them seed and then they should be there for sort of winter time. Last little corner, look. Let's hope we get some big ones. Come on, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Last little bit. I love digging potatoes up like this because you don't put the fork through any. I bet there ain't any in this bit. There was a plant here right in the corner. But, oh no. Come on. No. No more. Oh well. Oh well. Right. This is what I've got. Let me try and bring it over. Wow, it weighs a ton. I haven't got scales here either, so... Oh, I've just noticed that's got a bit of a hole in it. But that's alright. Look at that. Right, let me lay them out. Right, there they are. Some good ones in there, aren't there? Look at that. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. All free. Right, thank you for watching. And I'll see you all soon. My next thing I'm going to be doing is in the shed. That box there, I'm going to be building something similar to that, but in wood that I've got round the back that I can sit on and use as storage, because I can't sit on that because it's plastic and it's very brittle, so I can't sit on it, and I want somewhere to be able to sit on. Anyway, from sunny Weymouth and from all my potatoes, I will bid you a goodbye. Bye bye.